Hi, my name is Alex with Handyside Plumbing, Heating, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. We just published an article on our website called What You Should Know About Heat Pumps. You can find it at www.handysideinc.com, and the article contains unique tips to make your life easier and your home smarter. Heat pumps are the unsung heroes of home heating. They quietly draw warmth from the air or ground, offering an eco-friendly solution that reduces emissions and excels in the summer. Yet for these champions, older homes may need an insulation update. Installation costs can pose a challenge, and local regulations may play a role. Navigate these nuances by opting for eco-friendly options, exploring upgrades, and securing professional installation. With the right moves, you can embrace the efficient warmth of heat pumps and keep your home snug and eco-smart. Again, the title of the article is What You Should Know About Heat Pumps, and you can read the rest at www.handysideinc.com.